I'd like to introduce our VCAT solder machine to improve flax and solder balls scattering problem during the soldering operation. First, I'm going to try the regular solder wire without VCAT to show you actual flax and solder balls scattering on the thermal paper. As you can see, a lot of flax and solder balls scattered all around and even far from the solder point. This may cause defective products or operator's injury. This is a cross-section of the regular solder wire. Like this, there is a flax inside the solder wire. Why flax and solder balls get scattered? Because the melting point temperature of flax is lower than solder's, heated flax explodes together with solder. This is the reason why flax and solder balls get scattered. How can we improve flax and solder balls scattering problem? We should make a way out like a V-cut for heated flax not to explode. Now I'm going to make a V-cut on the solder wire with our V-cut solder machine. This is a cross-section of the solder wire with V-cut. It is important that V-cut reaches to the flax inside the solder wire. Let's try the solder wire with V-cut. Like this, flax and solder ball scattering is drastically improved, and also remaining flax can make the solder wetting better. This is a result of the comparison test between without V-cut and with V-cut. Flax and solder ball scattering problem was drastically improved. If you have any questions or requests on our V-cut solder machine, please let us know. Have a good day. Thank you.